Hello everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about how to update employee department in Fresa application. Initially, you need to log into Fresa application, and after your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now go to HR module. Here we have to choose employee master menu. Now we have to filter the name for which you are going to update employee department. So after filtering, you can click on edit icon. Now we'll be redirected to the employee profile page. We can see now the designation of this employee is accounts manager. So we can change the department related to this designation. So he belongs to accounts. So we have to change the department to accounts and then click on save changes. Now this particular employee belongs to accounts department. If we click on reports, then we can find the employee profile report. If we click on the report, then we can find the department has been changed to accounts. So this is how you can update department for an employee in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.